Bedroom curtains are a very important piece of furniture for the living room in Dubai. They are a good option for those who want to add style and elegance to their living room. Bedroom curtains are very necessary in any home. If you want to get the best quality of curtains, you should go to our company that provides high-quality bedroom curtains in Dubai. Bedroom curtains in Dubai are an important part of daily life. They are used to cover the windows and doors of the house. We provide the high-quality bedroom curtains in Dubai. We offer the best quality bedroom curtains in Dubai at affordable prices. Our company is a leading manufacturer and supplier of bedroom curtains in Dubai. We have been providing high-quality bedroom curtains products for over 20 years.